Hello friends, welcome back on Nest Among channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. Friends, I am very excited today because in this tutorial we are going to create AI skybox by using the Blockade Labs. I can't believe that this is the created by AI, and I have many one, like you can see this one. So it is also created by AI. So how you can create? So basically this is the site Skybox Blockade Labs, or just you can directly search Skybox. So you will get first website Skybox AI, or you can directly search Skybox AI. So the best thing is that it's work on prompt engineering. You have heard about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is that here is a prompt and here you have to type whatever you want to create. Okay, so basically you have to type here whatever you want to create. Like this is the digital painting. Here is the option that which kind of you want to create, like fantasy world. So let me write like blue world. Okay, and just click here generate, and you can see I have not sign up here. It's just working free. So let's see what's going to create the magic. 1 2 3 4 5. So you can write so much stuff in the this prompt, but I'm not writing that much. I'm writing just blue world. Wow, mind blowing. So here you can see I have choose the fantasy. It is not realistic, means it is not realistic, but it is fantasy. And here you can see it's amazing, man, looking like realistic. So whatever you want to create, you can create. And you want to download, so just download, and you have to, after download, you can use in your Unity. So basically in Unity I have shared that how you can create. So basically if you are dropping here, so first of all you have to go in here texture shape. In texture shape you can do cube and create one material, and in one material in the skybox you can go in the cube map and just drop this texture on this, and in lighting and sky materials skybox 2. So here you can see. So if you want to create any other thing, like I want to create realistic, so in realistic it will generate any other stuff. But let's suppose you want to create any country specific culture. Okay, and let's generate. Let's see how it's coming. Wow, now you can see it's showing Indian culture skybox. Okay, so in India you will get this kind of building, like old building, there was something similar kind of. Okay, so it's really amazing. It's a tomb. Okay, and if you want to change in dream-like, so you can type like metaverse and just click on generate. Wow, now you can see here is the magic. It's tremendous. So basically you can use this kind of skybox. So it depends on you that which type you are selecting. And I have not done sign up, so if you are going to do sign up, so you will get more access, more customized option here. So you can go and check it out. And this is not a promotional video. I just got impressed by this, that in Unity, for the Unity we got something related to AI. So it's really great thing that we can create skybox at a skybox by using the AI. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a good day. What do you think that what's coming next in for the game development industry? And it's really tremendous. I want to say thanks to Blockade Labs. Maybe I'm pronouncing wrong, so sorry for that. And if you're new on the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. Please like the video, and if you, what do you think about this AI tool, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next vlog.